Kulandela Umbhikisho wangesonto eledlule, Ungqongqoshe Wemfundo Ephakeme ehambisana nebhodi le-NSFAS banikele kule nyuvesi. Abafundi bakhala ngezinto ezihlukene, okubalwa kukho ukubambezeleka kokuhlinzekwa ngemali ye-NSFAS. Abanye ke bakhala nangokuthi abanazo nezindawo zokuhlala. Ungqongqoshe uxoxisane nabafundi abebeme emgqeni belinde usizo.
Oh, you need more.
Ungqongqoshe Ujube ithimba elizoba kulesi sikhungo isonto lonke nelizoxazulula zonke izikhalo zabafundi.
There are few issues that students raised, and we've assigned a team that is going to be here for a period of a week to solve all those problems that they've raised.
Abafundi bakhala nangokungabibikho kwamabhasi athutha abafundi abangahlali ngaphakathi esikhungweni. Bathi isikhathi sesonto esibekwe ngungqongqoshe sincane kakhulu ukuthi singaxazulula izinkinga ababhekene nazo.
The issues raised here are not fewer issues. The issues raised here are many, and we need them resolved not by the end of this week. The week you gave NSFAS to be here, it's too small. The issues are many.
It can't be that a student is being verified whilst they were accepted for NSFAS. It can't be that as the academic year begins that a student is application status is still on application in progress.
Ungqongqoshe ube esememezela nebhodi elisha le-NSFAS.